Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add someone on Snapchat without them knowing you searched. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. Suppose that you have added someone and you don't know the person's name, right? So you have to go to add friends and then search for that someone's username or name on profile here. Now, if you tap this add button, this user will be notified that you have added them by searching their profile or their username. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add someone without them knowing that you have searched their profile. What you're going to do is you have to copy or send their profile to your Snapchat. So let me look for my name here. Okay, Shadow, that's me. And as you can see, if I tap this message, I can see this person's username or profile. And all I have to do is to click add. They will not be notified that you have added them by searching their name or through searching their profile. I'm going to show you if this one really worked. So I'm going to add my other account right here. This is Jenny Lopez. It's my other account. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy my profile or this Jenny Lopez profile. Okay, tap this share icon and then send this to myself, which is Shadow. Okay, I'm going to send this to myself. So what I'm going to do here is open the message and I'm going to add Jenny Lopez here. Tap add. Now, the next thing to do here, I'm going to open my other account, which is Jenny Lopez. And let us see if the notification was say added by me and not added by search. As you can see, I have here notification and added by me below is Shadow, which is my other account. So basically, that's how to add someone on Snap without them knowing you search. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.